Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is again Christopher Laudenyu, and today I will be discussing the difference between long vowels or long sound and short sound. And I will also be teaching you how to determine whether a vowel should have a long sound or short sound. If you wish to know more about them, you came at the right video because that's what this video is all about, and we will be discussing those in just a bit after my intro. Let's get started. Okay, so we have 5 vowels in English alphabet, and each vowel has long, short, and neutral sound. But this video will be focusing only on the difference between long and short sound. So to start with, let me give you the first 2 words. We have man and main. Again, man and main. So the first word, man, has a short sound, and the second word, main, has the long sound. We also have beg, as in to beg, and bean. Beg and bean. The first word has the short sound, and the second word has the long sound. Beg, short, bean, long sound. We also have kit and kite. Kit and kite. Kit has the short sound, kite has the long sound. We also have hop and hope. Hop and hope. Hop has the short sound, hope has the long sound. We also have sun and shore. Sun and shore. Sun has the short sound and shore has the long sound. Okay, ano yung nakikita nyong pagkakaiba ng long sound at saka short sound based sa mga spelling? Okay, very good. So as you can see, kapag we only have one vowel in one syllable, it is pronounced as short sound. Like in the word man, beg, kit, at hop. There's only one vowel in one syllable. That is called CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. So it should be pronounced as short sound, like man, beg, kit. But if there are 2 vowels in one syllable, the vowel should be pronounced as long sound, like in the main, hate. So at least there are 2 vowels in one syllable. It should be pronounced as long sound. Okay, so as a general rule, when there are 2 vowels in one syllable, just like in the main, hate, it should be pronounced as long vowels. Another difference between the two, when you are making the sound of a long vowel, the air is more released in a long vowel than in a short one. Okay, so that's the main difference. Okay, I hope you learned something about this video. If you wish to learn more about this topic, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can receive updates on my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.